3-bond super cleaner throttle body and carbon. The 3-bond super cleaner throttle body and carbon is a cleaning agent designed to remove sludge, vanish carbon, etc. that is deposited on the wall of the carburetor, intake valves, combustion chamber, and spark plugs without dismantling them. In addition, it can be used to clean the fuel injector to avoid poor combustion, to stabilize the engine when it is idling, and to reduce fuel usage, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbon emission. Spray directly into choke housing on spring and other parts. Repeat application if necessary. Wipe off with a clean and dry cloth. Reinstall parts with indicator plate in the original position. The 3-bond super cleaner throttle body and carbon restores lost power and acceleration. It also reduces exhaust emissions. It increases engine performance, lowers petrol consumption, and provides protection against corrosion. It also lowers pollutant emissions. It is oxygen sensor safe and VOC compliant. Do not spray on painted surfaces or plastic materials.